Hey, Rick from Gasoline Alley. Today we're going to be working on a little Tonka Cervicar. They were modeled after a Harley Davidson from back in the day, I do believe. The three-wheeler utility vehicles like Cushman and Harley and all those made back in the day. Quite often you find them without seats or with a broken or damaged handlebars. So we do have the parts to replace those and fix them up. So the seat part, normally Cervicars would have had red seats. I have seen some with black. We do have them in black, white, or red seats. But the seat part is TKP 146, and then followed by an R for red, B for black, or W for white. So you can buy them in any choice of those three colors, whatever your preference. The seats are a little bit brittle plastic, and that's why a lot of times they're missing on the actual originals too. But the easiest place on this to do, you start with the back because there's two tabs you got to get in versus one on the front. So you basically just slide it in here in the back, get the two tabs down in there on the seat. Push it back as far as you can. And then what I like to use, I have these little handy dandy little picks. So a little pick piece you can put in there and get it in there and push the seat back just enough to get that tab to clear. And they're fighting me, so maybe we'll just try brute force. All right, so basically we're going to very carefully, without trying to break that tab off, we're just going to press in there, that side, press in here. On that side. Whew, the seat fought us all the way, but it's in. You're going to need a cold beer after that one. So, all right. Next up for the Cervicar. So, unfortunately, we do have the tires, the front tires and the rear tires for the Cervicars here. I don't know that anybody's ever made the steering rod. So if you're missing the steering rod, that's what they look like. You have to try to make one up on your own, and they're not too bad. It's kind of just that 90 and then the end or whatever. So, but again, more often than not, these are here, but the handlebars are broken. So, but the steering rod just kind of goes up in through there, up onto what would be considered the dashboard there, and then simple TKP 097 handlebar piece there. The rod size, it does have, the originals have just a little bit of a like the crimping on it, so this grabs, but you just basically, it's just press fit. So you just press fit on, down onto the opening, push down, and there you go. And it will bottom for you, so there you go. Now you have a steerable Cervicar with a new seat. Again, TKP 097 part on the handlebar, TKP 146, either R, B, or W on the seat, based on the color. So there you go, Tonka Cervicar fixing up.